Two dice are thrown. If it is known that the sum of numbers on the dice was less than 6, and the probability of getting some 3 is okay. So now 2 dice are thrown. Sample space is what? You know that 1 1 1 2, right? Total number 36 na? So now 1 3, so on 1 6, like 2 1 2 2, so on 2 6, okay, then 3 1 3 2 3 6, so on 6 1 6 2, and so on 6 6. N of S total number is 36. Total outcomes 36. Outcomes. Two numbers on the dice was less than 6. Sum of the numbers less than 6 means konsate. Sum of number on the dice less than 6. 1 2 3 4 5. Correct? 1 4 last 1 4. So I take even. बोलो क्या आता है? N of even is 4 ना? So probability of even बोलो. Probability of even. Sum of the numbers on the dice less than 6 means 4 outcomes. 4 na? 4 here also there na? 2 1 2 2 2 3. Okay, इधर 3 7 हो जाते क्या? और 3 1 3 2 2 2 3 2 3, right? This 3 4 plus 3 7. Next 3 1 3 2 3 4. Sum less than 6. 1 2 3 4. And in this row 1 2 3 2 1 1 2 2 2 3 7 हो गया. Next in this third row 3 1 3 2 9 हो गए. Fourth row that is only 4 1. Okay. कितने 10 by 36. Okay, next probability of getting some 3. वो एक करो. Probability of getting some 3. Some 3 आना चाहिए. 1 2 हाँ
3
2 1 दो जाते. Getting some 3. 1 2 and 2 1. Now tell me what intersection क्या आ जाते बोलो. इसमें कॉमन कौन से 2 आ जाते हैं. 1 2 2 1. 2 by 36. Probability of getting some 3. Exchange. We want probability of getting some 3. ये इसका चाहिए. पास में already हुआ है. What? On the dice less than sum is less than 6. वो पास में हुआ है ना. वो पास में हुआ है तो इसको E1 लेता हूँ. जो भी हो रहा है वो E2 लेता हूँ. E2 बार E1. Correct है? P of probability of getting some 3. P of E2 bar E1. So what is P of E2 bar E1? P of E1 intersection E2 divided by P of E1. So this is P of E1 intersection E2 is 2 by 36. P of E1 10 by 36. This cancels. Which is how much? 2 by 10. 1 by 5. Can you take it? 18, 1 by 5, 2 by 5. So 1 by 5 answer. Cards are drawn. 2 cards are drawn. 2 cards are drawn from a well shuffled deck of 52 cards. with replacement. The probability that both cards, then the probability that both cards are queen. Is first one 1/13 into 1/13 B, 1/13 plus 1/13 C, 1/13 into 1/17 D, 1/13 into 4/51. What is the equation? Replacement किसका चाहिए probability आपका? Queen का है. Queen, how many coins are there? 4 ना? Out of repetition है वो. Replacement है तो और भी लेना हो. जो कोई निकाल देना big coin डालना. Without replacement है तो छोड़ना उसको. With replacement है तो 4 और लेना. 52. तो ये 1/13. आप सोचते प्लस क्यों नहीं किए हैं? इंडिपेंडेंट है वो, प्लस नहीं करते. 1/13 into 1/13 तो प्लस हो जाते थे, बट वो इंडिपेंडेंट है. प्रोबेबिलिटी दैट a person is not a swimmer, is 0.3. First of the probability that out of 5 persons, 4 are swimmers. Patient A 5C4 0.7 raised to 4 into 0.3. B 5C1 0.7 into 0.3 raised to 4. C 5C4 0.7 into 0.3 raised to 4. D 0.7 raised to 4 into 0.3. Yeah. So total outcomes for the persons 5 and equal to 5. Success क्या लेंगे? 4 are swimmers लेंगे. Success swimmers लेंगे. How many swimmers are there? 4. X equal to 4. 4 success हो गए. 4 success. इधर क्या दिया हमने? Probability of person is not a swimmer means failure का दिया हमने. 0.3. Probability of failure is given 0.3. And what is the probability of P then?
0.7.
That is success का कितना होता है? 1 minus 0.3, 0.7. Right? You know formula of probability of x success is NCX q raised to n minus x p raised to x. So this is n is 5, C4, q is 0.3, 0.3 raised to 5 minus 1, p is 0.7 raised to x is 4. Option number?
A.
Option A. The probability distribution of a discrete random variable x given below, x p of x 2 5 by k, 3 7 by k, 4 9 by k, 5 11 by k. The value of k is first option 8, 16, 32, 48. Important, huh? Okay.
32.
So we know that in theory part, that is sum of the probability is 1. Okay. Summation of the px is 1. So it is 5 by k plus 7 by k plus 9 by k plus 11 by k should be 1. Okay, LCM take to RHS k equal to 5 plus 7, 12 plus 9, 21 plus 11, 32. Probability distribution for the probability distribution x here p of x minus 4 minus 3 minus 2 minus 1 0 0.1 0.2 0.3 0.2 0.2 e of x is first one 0 e minus 1 c option minus 2 d option is minus 1.8. E of x is a mean. E of x is called mean. Mean of the random variable. E of x square is mean of squares of random variable. Mean of x square. Then E of x whole square minus E of x square is that is
Variation.
variance. And square root of this standard deviation. So E of x, how to find E of x? Is sigma xi pi, summation of xi pi from I equal to 1 to n. ये इंटू करके प्रोडक्ट लेना ये सम प्रोडक्ट एंड सम कितना आ जाता है बोलो माइनस 4 इंटू 0.1 एक्स आई पी आई प्लस मीन्स हियर माइनस इज देयर 3 इंटू 0.2 नेक्स्ट माइनस 2 इंटू 0.3 minus 1 into 0.2 plus 0 into 0.2 that is
0.4.
minus 4 minus 0.4 it is minus 0.6 minus 0.6 and this is minus 0.2 and that one 0 so for 10 16 1 minus 1.8 okay. This is the mean of the random variable. For the following distribution, probability distribution x p of x 1 2 3 4 1 by 10 1 by 5 3 by 10 2 by 5 then E of x square is E of x square first 3 second 5 C option 7 D option is 10. So what is E of x square? How to take this formula? Sigma xi square pi. Sorry now. Xi square. Squares are random variable into their probabilities. क्या होता है? 1 square into 1 by 10 plus 2 square into 1 by 5 plus 3 square into 3 by 10 plus 4 square into 2 by 5. 1 by 10 plus 16 to the 32 by 5. Answer? 10. Take LCM. LCM is 10. Okay. So these are the examples on probabilities. Remaining 4 examples.